Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I am going to be making some banana bread, and I have been using this recipe for a very long time, so I thought I'd share it with you. It is my kid's favorite. I got it from a friend, so yeah, I'm making it. We're going away, and I thought it would be a nice treat to have on our trip. So I'm gonna get started. Some of the ingredients that you will need is baking soda. I'm making a double batch because I'm leaving one behind for my son. So salt, vanilla, 4 eggs, flour. Instead of butter, I'm just using coconut oil and some sugar. And I will also need about 6 bananas, which I need to get out of the freezer, and I will be using those, mashing them up. So let's get started. Oh, and I also need some lemon juice. So I had peeled the bananas under hot water, and the peel just comes off. So I'm just gonna set them aside so they defrost. If they don't defrost completely, I will just add them. I'll put them in a microwave for like 20 seconds, and that should do it. I will preheat my oven to 350. I am using these Pampered Chef stones, and I'm going to oil. So I am making a double batch. So I will need 4 cups of flour. Then I need 2 teaspoons of baking soda, teaspoon of salt. When you mix it up, set that aside, and now I'm going to get my mixer ready, and I'm going to put about a cup of butter or coconut oil, calls for 2 cups of sugar, but I'm just gonna do a cup and a half. Then 4 eggs. Then I need 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Just realized I only took out 3, but I'm doing a double batch, so I need 3 more. I will put these in a microwave. I'm going to replace this. So I did them for 60 seconds. Now I'm gonna gradually add flour mixture. And now I'm gonna split the batter between the 2 pans. So these are ready. I will be putting them into the oven. So they go into the oven for about an hour. Also decided to make peanut butter oatmeal chocolate chip bars for breakfast, but they're called breakfast bars. So these are the ingredients I will need. So you need some oats, baking soda, baking powder, chocolate chip, vanilla, cinnamon, salt, coconut oil, peanut butter, and flour. So I'm gonna oil this pan first. You will also need 2 eggs. A cup of oats. I'm gonna double this one as well. So I'll do 2 cups. And then I need half a cup of flour, a teaspoon of cinnamon, of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix all this up. Then I need 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. And I'm going to melt this in a microwave. I'm gonna add it in there. Add my whisk. And then I'm gonna add my eggs. And then I'm going to add maple syrup, about half a cup. And then half a cup of peanut butter. And a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, this is supposed to go into the oven for about 25 minutes. 350.